welcome back to the channel, guys. The last video I ended off, I didn't put the wheels on the car, but this is how they look.
They look clean.
But obviously we didn't tie them down yet because we're gonna paint the car.
Hey, here's these ones right here. You did a good job. Hey, what's his name again? The one that did it for you?
Anthony.
Anthony, shout out Anthony, bro.
If you go to our last video, we actually talk about.
So in the last video, Anthony, he sprayed these for us. Thank you, bro. We appreciate you very much. You did a very clean job, bro. Good shit.
It gives it that aggressive look.
Yeah, bro.
It looks like it's ready to drift.
Look at that. I know the lug nuts aren't on yet. That's why the wheel's all crooked, but you get the idea.
Shoot, a badass drift car, but the owner doesn't even know how to drift. It's all good. Or on this episode, you know, we're gonna finally put these control arms on, the Nismo control arms. As you guys already seen them before, but finally today's the day. John, we're all gonna install them. Take a look. They fit S13, S14, and John's Laurel C33, right?
Yeah, C33. Here, let's read it, bro. Here, let's see. What's step number 1?
Step number 1 is Nismo. What is that? I don't know. I think you can read it, Mr. Wayne. This is the right one.
Right here, they're labeled right there.
Oh, you see, this is the left.
Right there, they're labeled.
And honestly, they're pretty girthy, bro.
Girthy.
They're like, damn. Like,
so what's the main purpose of these, though?
To give it that functional, you know, like stable for you could. I don't know. Like, to be honest,
I got you. So pretty much, when you have stock lower control arms, the wheels sit in a bit. So these are extended. Watch, let me see the end of these. If you look at this, we'll show you later on in the video, but these are extended right here, about like 20 to 40 mil. I'm not too sure exactly, but this part is extended.
So it'll probably be like right here, huh?
Yeah. And then it'll kick out the bottom of the wheel more. So it gives it more of that aggressive look, and it helps with traction and all that.
When I bought my car, my cousin actually gave me a good deal. So this came with the car. So shout out to my cousin, Josh. Thank you. I can't wait to show you how these look on the car too as well.
Nice. Alright, so let's get to it. The right side right here. We'll start on this side so you can see. So pretty much it's going to be these two for the tension rod. This is for the sway bar. And then this is the main cotter pin, kingpin nut. So let's get to it.
Get it, baby.
Step 1, just take apart the 2 nuts.
Under the arm.
For the tension rod right there. There you go, that's 1. And that's 2.
So use a 15.
For the sway bar link, disconnect that. There we go. Where's he at, bro? Let's see.
Right there.
So always beware of those motherfuckers.
Should I pop it?
Yeah, pop it. I got that. And then there's gonna be, I believe it's an 18. So you have to disconnect that one. Point to it right there. Yep. So I believe that's an 18. Take that out. It's kind of a bitch. So actually, the socket's a 17. That was an 18, but pawn broke it loose. Good shit, bro. So you just want to break it loose. You don't want to take it out just yet. Get that shit. Get it.
I feel like Wolf now.
Faster. Juan is working on the little kingpin bolt with the cotter pin with his big ass head in the way.
Hold on, do you pull this way on, bro?
Yeah, wherever the loop is. There it is, baby. Little cotter pin right there. Yup. We can take out that big ass nut right there. Then disconnect the whole controller. We got our own little filmer here. What's up, bro?
What up?
How you doing?
Cameraman right here.
Cameraman, yes sir. So what up?
What up?
Alright, let's get to it.
So we already loosened up some bolts, some nuts.
Nuts and bolts, baby.
Here, cheers first thing. Cheers, guys.
So what you guys want to do is heat up the kingpin, bolt, nut, whatever. the ball joint's at. Want to heat that up because sometimes these cars are so old that they get seized after a long ass time.
So yeah, guys, just smack it until it gets loosened. We use the little torch to heat it up, make it easier for us.
You'll see that the nut drops completely, so this whole stud, whatever you call it, it drops down. So I let it cool off and then be ready to take out right now. Alright, so here's a comparison on the two right sides. We thought they were extended, but I guess not. I think you could buy different ones that are extended, but these seem a lot more beefy, and these are just fucking caca.
You could tell a little bit heavier too, right?
Yeah, and this one. Yeah, these are a little bit more beefy, but it's cool though. Some Nismo, good shit. But pretty much what you guys want to do is put the ball joint in first, so this will lock in, and then you can put the traction rods right here, the sway bar mount, and then you can put the where it connects to the chassis itself. And then here's the sway bar link, it connects to right here. And then you just got to put all the nuts back into place, tying down the main ball joint nut, kingpin. And then you probably want to do this one last. I don't know, it worked out. I mean, normally when I do it, it works out like that, but everyone has their own preference.
Here, John, let's cash out. 100,000 right now, bro. NICESTYLE. We got milk for NICESTYLE. Tighten those up, baby. Let's get it.
We'll go on to the other side.
One down, the next one.
Alright, so that's out. That's out.
What's out?
Yeah, that's out. So this one comes out.
Let's get it, baby.
One step at a time. Now I gotta get my ratchet out. Fucking stuck. Okay. What the fuck are you guys doing?
Warming it up because it's kind of stuck.
Fuck, bro, I'm gonna start a fire.
Yeah, I think you're good, bro. To make it better to loose. WD-40 didn't work, so let's see. Smack it. Finally?
So yeah, finally. So we're gonna smack the shit out of it.
Let me see that. That shits are done.
Nah, these are still good, bro. We can use it.
They're all melted.
Thanks to this guy right here. Thank
Here
you,
goes Matt.
Appreciate it, bro. Appreciate it.
At least now Juan can say that he actually helped working on his car.
Yeah. Fucking finally. Yeah, I need some lube, Juan. You wanna spit on it real quick?
Yes, sir. How we looking? How we looking, Matt?
It's looking good.
Talk to me, Goose.
You tell me, are you getting tired of holding that yet?
A little bit. Just my legs cramping.
Right here. Last piece to this side. Fucking cotter pin.
I caught her brain and hold it. The control arms are finally in, guys. What do you think about it? When you look.
There we go.
Let's get it, baby.
Yes, sir, bro. So we did this side first. Yeah, we knocked out that side. And the cotter pins were pretty much last. Everything fits good. What do you guys think? Should we test fit the wheels?
Won't be needing these anymore. These are trash already.
Let me see this.
Pretty much done. Who wants them? You guys want them? Come and pick them up. You guys gonna have them.
Yes, sir. So we did both sides, like we said already. One's over here, throwing on the wheels. See how they look.
Fuck yeah, dude.
They look nice.
Looking nice, huh?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yes, sir. This is the final look right here for now. What do you guys think?
New control arms are on. Finally, the wheels are on too as well. What do you guys think?
The white looks good as fuck. Look at that.
It's beautiful, huh?
Oh yeah, look at that. Some good fitment right there. Drift spec.
Alright guys, we're gonna wrap it up with this video. Hope you guys like us installing the control arms, and I hope you guys like the wheels as well. But other than that, you guys hit that like button, subscribe please if you guys want. See you guys the next time.
나이스!